Welcome to our new video. In this video I will show you how you can get free domains for $0.00. Okay, you don't have to pay for it, but you can see the website name is Purkbun.com. So this website will give us more than 4 domains, top level domains for free. Okay, so you have to use these coupons. Okay, I will provide it on my description box, you don't have to worry about it. So there is two website, you can see there is two website. One is lcn.com, but you have to go on the targeted link. I have pasted this link at here. I have shortly pasted this link at here. Then .co.uk free. That means you don't have to use any coupons at here. Okay, but on the Purkbun.com you have to use these coupons. Okay, on the second bracket there is coupon code. Okay, so lcn.com, it provides only .uk and .co.uk, this type of domains, and .com is you have to pay for 99p. Okay, so if I search for, you can see there is only 89 free domains left for today. Claim yours. Okay, so gift cards for gift cards 99, enter. So gift card 99.uk is added. Add email. Okay, 1 year free, but you have to uh, with hosting. Okay, but we don't need hosting, so we will click it here. We don't need hosting. Now we will click on checkout. So gift card 99 free. Now we have to give all of the information about our domain. Okay, all of the information has been provided. Now we have to give a password. Okay, now my password is best for now. Your remember work. Okay, you have to remember work word at here. Now I have to paste a word, or I will write something at here, then click on continue payment. Okay, so after clicking on here, that is, you can see the card type. I have choice Visa. I don't have any house number, and you have to tick mark at those two options. Okay, then click on continue. Now you have to give a card name, expiration date, year, security code, and something other. Okay, but if you don't have a card and any other problem, you can use Purkbun. Okay, now click on XYZ for free domain. Now I will click for uh, gift cards 99. Now I will check this domain is available. So now click on checkout. Now copy the XYZ coupon code. Okay, now cut it. I have choiced any other domain. Now click on apply coupon. Now paste the coupon code at here. Now update card. We are unable to apply your coupon. It's already applied. Okay, so only one time I can use this coupon. Okay, so I have to choice in a other domain like wiki.free. I choose this domain. Now I have to get another domain. Purkbun. Now the problem is I have to find the WIKI domain. um, so this will only find .xyz domains. I have to pick on the dashboard, then I have to search for a domain name. Now I have searched a domain. Now click on search button. So now I have to find the WIKI. Okay, mutant lol. Now there is the domain name WIKI. Now I will check out it from here. Now I will cut this domain from here. Now apply coupon. Now paste the coupon code at here. Okay, now update card. Now you can see the price is $00. Okay, now you can get it for only 1 year. Now continue. So this is the process for getting the, and you understand all of this. Okay, I don't want to took your time lost. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video then subscribe to our channel, and please like the video. And my personal request to you, please subscribe, because known of people don't show how to get the free domains. And I will provide these links and codes on the description box. Hope you have liked the video. If you like the video then subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.